Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open your camera app and usually you will be on the standard photo mode right here. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the video on the right until you'll see that it is framed, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the very top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution. So let's tap, and here as you can see we can pick two different resolutions. We've got the 1080p option applied because it is highlighted in this yellowish color, or we can set 720p, and in both we can change frames per second. So we've got 30 and 60 frames per second to choose from. So let me pick the lower quality, the lower resolution, just by tapping on it, and as you can see it is immediately highlighted. Let me pick 60 frames per second, and as you can see it is again highlighted, and that's basically all, because after just tapping on it your device will record videos in chosen resolution with chosen frames per second. So that's really easy, but I highly recommend to keep this 1080p option applied, FHD option, as it is the best possible here. So basically that's all. This is how to change the video resolution in your VIVO Y35. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.